Hi everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an I-cord. For this video I am using a 6mm crochet hook, or the J size, and worsted weight category 4 yarn, but you can use any size of yarn and corresponding hook size that you want to. Start by making a slip knot and slide it onto your hook. Now we'll chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. In the second chain from our hook, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. In the last chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. Pull up those loops slightly and then secure them by holding your thumb right under them like this, because we're going to remove our hook from those first 2 loops. So make sure your thumb is holding both of those securely so they don't fall through. Now yarn over and pull through the loop still on your hook. Now pick up that first loop that you dropped, going from right to left. So just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through that loop. Now insert your hook in the next loop that you dropped, yarn over, and pull through. So I have 3 loops in my hook again. So pull those up slightly, and then again we're just going to repeat what we just did. So I'm holding my thumb under those 2 loops, those first 2, 1 and 2. Then I'll remove my hook from them, still holding under them. Yarn over, pull through the loop in your hook, insert your hook into the loop that you dropped, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the last loop that you dropped, yarn over, and pull through. So our I-cord is forming, and we're just going to repeat that again and again. You can just repeat that as long as you want your I-cord to be. So again, I'm holding these 2 loops that I dropped, yarn over, pull through the loop in my hook, going from right to left, insert your hook in the first loop that you dropped, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next loop that you dropped, yarn over, pull through. So repeat that for as long as you want your cord to be. Now, once you have the length that you want, you should have 3 loops on your hook, and just yarn over and pull through all 3, and then you can fasten off and you're done with your I-cord. Once you're done, just stretch it out to make sure that it's even on all sides. And at the end you should have this nice knitted look. That's it to making an I-cord. I hope this video tutorial helped you, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.